Good afternoon, beautiful people. I am vibing in the kitchen. I'm about to make chickpea soup. I got my onions, cut them up. I put a little olive oil in there. These are all the ingredients that I am using. I'm going to make it do what it do. I have ginger, basil paste. They didn't have any basil at the store, so I'm going to roll with it. Minced garlic, cumin, tomatoes, tomato sauce, curry powder, coconut milk, garbanzo beans, which is chickpeas. And this is our chickpea soup. I'm gonna cut up them sweet bell peppers, and then I have my vegetable broth. And then I have my crackers, but I'm gonna make some jasmine rice and serve it over the jasmine rice. Yeah. All right, I chopped up some of my onions. Well, my onions, I'm still in the process chopping the peppers up, but sauteing that first because I just like doing that. Yeah. All right, I have my onions and peppers in the pot, and I'm cutting up my kale. I'm gonna add my vegetable broth, and this is gonna condense down, and I'm gonna let it do what it do. Then I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients, and it's just gonna be so yummy. Then I'm gonna let it simmer and let all the ingredients merge into one. It's gonna be so delicious. Yummy. All right, I have my kale greens in there. Next, I open and rinse this out. I'm gonna dump all the rest of the ingredients in here. Stir it up real good with all the seasoning and make it do what it do when it do. All right, we have the tomatoes in there. All right, I added some ginger in there. I'm gonna stir this up. Just add a tad bit of oh, that's minced garlic, I'm sorry. And that, what I just poured in was minced ginger. And then I'm gonna stir it up. I'm gonna come back. Hold on. All right, I added the basil paste. As you can see, I don't do measurements. You know, I just don't. So we're almost halfway done. It's just adding all the ingredients in there. And I am going to use pepper and garlic salt. Okay, I wanted to show you garlic salt. I did forget to tell y'all garlic powder, pepper, turmeric. I'm gonna put some turmeric in there. So let me cut up the rest of this, then I'll be back. All right, this is what it's looking like thus far. I'm gonna add the coconut milk in and then turn it down and then let it all just simmer and cook together. And I'm gonna serve it over jasmine rice. It's gonna be delicious, you guys. It smells amazing already. So we're gonna give this a cook time of maybe 45 minutes on we want everything. We want our kale to be tender. I only use 1 bushel, okay? So, and then I drizzle some more olive oil on there. So, yeah. I forget, I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning in here also, along with the this is the last ingredient, and then we're gonna cover and cook on low. And the aroma smells delicious thus far. Yummy. All right, it's cooking, smelling good. We got the coconut milk in there. I'm going to make jasmine rice. I love jasmine rice. And so I'm just gonna make a small pot. And so I'm gonna put the rice in a bowl and then pour the soup over the rice. Delicious, I tell you that much. So I'm gonna leave it alone and let it cook. But this is what it's look like when all the ingredients are in. Now you have to let it cook, and so it'll be delicious. Mm, mm, mm. All right, we're gonna let it cook for another 20 minutes. serve it over this jasmine rice. Or not. You don't have to have jasmine rice over it. And I have some oyster crackers. Smelling good. All right, you're gonna put the jasmine rice in a bowl just like that. Should be done. Timer went off. Smelling good. All right, we are all done. It's looking good, smelling good. It's delicious. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That concludes the making of the chickpea soup with jasmine rice. Yummy. Yummy. Delicious. Try the recipe. You may like it. I love it.